And he was the first guy back on the field.
Desmond, base hit left field. Here comes Ramos. Juan Pierre, not a strong arm, way short. The Nationals lead 3-0, and they will catch Desmond in a rundown. That's okay. Ian Desmond wanted to make sure they threw that ball home. Drives in his 22nd run of the year, and the Nats lead by 3.
Little things: sacrifice bunt, get a runner in scoring position, base hit. That's the way you win ball games. You talk about Ian Desmond being a captain, being a guy that's responsible. First guy back out on the field saying, let's go, let's get the out. I didn't make a good throw. What does he do? He comes up there and gets